Otcha. I ain't done many videos recently because I got a bit of a lug. But we, Bones, Noodle and Pyro are visiting Ikea for the first time. We want meatballs! 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 See you when we get in. The big reveal. Unfortunately, they didn't have meatballs. No meatballs, Betty. What do we get instead?
Swedish hot dog with
Hot dog.
mashed potato and crispy onions.
Yes, no sauce, because we could have got sauce, but what drink did you get, Betty?
Lingonberry.
Dingenberry, what did you get, Betty?
Boring cola, sugar-free. Yuck!
And I got the little lemonade. Yeah. Anyway, taste test. Okay.
That's worse than the century egg.
Nah, it can't be that bad.
Then good.
What the heck is that?
Mashed potato.
No, it's just the crispy onions that makes it weird.
Bring back the meatballs, hey? Well, we found the meatballs.
£7.50 for a bag.
Yeah, and they're frozen. We won't be able to keep them frozen by the time we got them. What are they over there, Betty?
Chicken meatballs.
Chicken meatballs
Then there's plant.
and plant meatballs.
Chicken meatballs. You let what we'll have to do, come down here with a cooler,
Yeah.
nice packs, and take a look back and cook them up.
After much hunting, we figured out they've got 2 restaurants. And meatballs! And hot sausage. Meatballs. Right, who's going to try first? You want to have your first try of meatballs and gravy? Swiggy, baby. What do you think?
Just a meatball.
Just a meatball. What do you think, Betty? Just a meatball. Right, my turn. Dip it in some sauce. Ketchup. Say ketchup. That ain't like a meaty meatball, is it? Yeah, it's like a tinned meatball. Oh, it's got a nice aftertaste. Sort of a porky aftertaste.
The mash ain't like the stuff downstairs.
For a meatball, I'd give it about a 6 out of 10. What do you give it?
5.5, 6.
What do you give it?
6.
Definitely not worth travelling hundreds of miles just for a meatball. Not these, anyway.
As we were here before we tried.
Yeah, try a bit of sausage. Standard sausage. Nice aftertaste. Right. Let's try again. Gotcha. Right. Being as that video was a little short with the endless maze of Ikea, not a fan, I thought I'd show you a little bit of fun we found on the way back, or should we say on the way here we found it, but we'll show you on the way back. Little things please little minds. Well, this isn't a little thing, but it pleases my mind. I'll show you in a minute. Go look. Looks like an underground, doesn't it? But it ain't an underground. It's an overground. We're on an M6 welcome break. I do like the old welcome breaks. Ambulance. Kind can't see it because of the flipping Starbucks. Yeah, that M6. Just came away from Bristol. Was it Bristol? No, Birmingham. Yeah, we just came away from Birmingham. Helping my get a new car. Yeah. Like I said, I ain't been uploading because I ain't been very well. I got a horrible cough. I had it for about 6 weeks. So I'll try and get back on the upload and hopefully start feeling better soon. Until then,
Ocha.
Ocha.